Hi everyone, Frank Guido here at IBS in beautiful sunny Las Vegas. It's the third day of the show, so it's winding down a little bit. But our number one product everyone's interested in at the show is iRenderings. We've had a home configurator for many years for builders. We've been building since the mid-90s. It's a fantastic tool. It helps a lot of builders sell a lot more upgrades, helps with the customer experience, simplifies the buying experience, removes all that stress. So what we did is we took that same platform and developed iRenderings. For less than the price of a single traditional rendering, you can get a 4K rendering plus an interactive configurator that you can put online, and you can create unlimited additional renderings for only $5 each. You can't beat the price point. You can create unlimited content, simple, easy, effective. But great for social media and SEO, which is so important today. And you have full creative control. Do you want to change the time of day? Change it. You want to change the camera? Change it. It's a really simple platform. And the big benefit is the customer experience. iRenderings help build people's confidence. They can actually see what they're going to be buying. It's a great way to actually get more customer engagement, and it's great lead generation too. Who can use iRenderings? Anybody. This is what people expect, especially today's younger generation. Well, that's a wrap from Las Vegas. To learn more about iRenderings, go to Aareas.com/iRenderings. Easy, simple registration. Look forward to seeing you there. Thanks.